Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use TikTok Analytics. TikTok Analytics is the key to stepping up your TikTok strategy because it helps to understand whether you target the right audience or not. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. First of all, keep in mind that Analytics is only available if you have a pro TikTok account. In order to set up a pro account, go to the settings and press on Manage My Account. After that, hit Switch to Pro Account and follow the steps from there. Once you switch to Pro account, the Analytics section will appear in your settings. Tap to open it. Here you have an opportunity to see how many views your videos receive, how the amount of followers changed in the last 7 and 28 days, or detailed information about the results your videos get. By pressing on the Followers tab, you will be able to see all information about your TikTok followers, like the amount you have received or lost during the last week, a gender distribution, a percentage breakdown of your audience by country, at what time your followers are the most active. Even you will have a chance to see what sounds your audience listened to in the past 7 days. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use TikTok Analytics. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.